Dear students, we are discussing periodic trends in physical properties. In the previous classes, we discussed atomic radius and its variation in the periodic table across the periods and down the group. And also we discussed ionic radius and the formation of cation and the formation of anion. And the isoelectronic species we discussed. And the next periodic trend in physical properties is third one, ionization. Ionization, enthalpy. Ionization, enthalpy. Ionization, enthalpy. It is also called as ionization energy or ionization potential. So here ionization enthalpy or ionization energy is nothing but the amount of energy required to remove an electron from an isolated neutral gaseous atom in the ground state. So that is energy required to remove the electron from the outermost shell of neutral gaseous atom in the ground state. Andre ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಯೋನೈಸೇಷನ್ enthalpy. So ionization enthalpy is nothing but the amount of energy required to remove an electron from an isolated neutral gaseous atom in the ground state. That is the energy required. To remove an electron from an isolated neutral gaseous atom in the ground state. Is called ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. So the amount of energy required to remove an electron from an isolated neutral gaseous atom in the ground state is called as ionization energy. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಔಟರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಶೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಯೋನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ x is nothing but any element. X is now one element. Now from this x element or x atom, one electron is removed. Of course, x is a gaseous atom or element. Now whenever one electron is removed, one positive gaseous atom is formed. Always removal of electrons creates positive charges on the atoms or elements. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆವಾಗ ಆಟಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now in this example one electron is removed from X element or X gaseous atom, so that it created one X plus positive charge. Now for this energy required is called as first ionization energy, that is IE1. The energy required to remove the first electron from the outermost shell of neutral gaseous atom is called as first ionization energy or first ionization enthalpy. So now it is called as plus Q, kilojoule per mole. Q is nothing but energy required. Plus represents energy is required. So always removal of electrons from the neutral gaseous atoms requires energy, so that plus positive charge, it represents energy is required. And also ionization enthalpy or ionization energy is measured in terms of kilojoule per mole. Kilojoule per mole. So IE1 is the ionization enthalpy required to remove one electron from the neutral gaseous X atom. And once again, X plus gaseous, X plus ion also loses one more electron to form gaseous 2 plus ion. So for this energy required is represented as IE2, ionization enthalpy is 2, second ionization enthalpy, that is plus Q kilojoule per mole of energy. To remove the second electron from the positively charged gaseous X plus ion, once again energy is required. So that amount of energy required to remove the second electron from the gaseous X plus ion is called as a second ionization enthalpy. Here removal of first electron from the outermost neutral gaseous atom is very easy, so that first ionization enthalpy is less for any atom, but second electron is to be removed from the positively charged gaseous atom, so that energy required is more. So always the higher ionization enthalpies are large. So here in this case second ionization enthalpy IE2 is greater than first ionization enthalpy. Always first ionization enthalpy is less, because removal of electron from the outermost neutral gaseous atom becomes easy, but second ionization enthalpy is always more, because electron is to be removed. Second electron is to be removed. Second electron is to be removed from the positively charged gaseous atom. Okay, ion. Positively charged gaseous ion. Always second, third, fourth ionization enthalpies are very large than first ionization energies. And once again, if we come to the periodic table, let us discuss how this ionization enthalpy varies across the periods and down the group. Variation. Next variation of ionization enthalpy in periodic table. So how this ionization enthalpy of the elements varies in the periodic table across the periods and down the group. If we take across right of the periodic table, atomic radius decreases. Atomic radius decreases because the electrons, the added electrons goes to the same valence shell. That is in the periods when the atomic number is increased by 1 unit for each elements, that added electron goes to the same valence shell, so that the effective nuclear charge is more in the periods and size of the atom shrinks, size of the atom decreases. So removal of electron from that smaller sized atom becomes difficult, so that energy, ionization energy is more. So it is in the periods. In the periods, ionization enthalpy increases. Left to right hand side ಕಡೆ ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಸೈಜ್ಡ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಯೋನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ increases across the periods because atomic radius decreases. So it is across the periods. Ionization enthalpy increases due to decrease in atomic radius. So atomic radius in the periods decreases. Effective nuclear charge increases. Energy required to remove the electron from the smaller sized atoms increases. Next, down the group. Down the group of periodic table. Down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases because down the group atomic radius increases. When atomic radius increases, the outermost electron stay far away from the nucleus, so that effective nuclear charge decreases. So removal of electron becomes easy from the larger sized atoms. That is down the group ionization enthalpy decreases due to increase in the atomic size and screening effect. So here screening effect is nothing but the inner electrons which are close to the nucleus withdraws the energy from the outermost shell of electrons. ಏನು ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಆ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಔಟರ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಶೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತವೆ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್, so that outer electron becomes free. No nuclear charge effect on the outer electron, so that with the application of less amount of energy, the outermost electron can be removed. removed. So that is down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases because down the group atomic size increases. ಯಾಕೆ atomic size down the group increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ with increase in the atomic number of shells also increases, so that inner shell electrons, the electrons which are very near to the nucleus, withdraws the energy, screens out the energy from the outer electrons, so that the outer electrons becomes free to rotate, free to revolve. So that outer electrons can be removed very easily. Larger the size of the atom, easier to remove the electrons. So energy required is less. So down the group ionization energy decreases because of increase in the atomic size, decrease in the effective nuclear charge, and increase in the screening effect. Screening effect is also called as a shielding effect. Shielding effect or screening effect is nothing but withdrawing of energy from the outermost shell of electrons by the inner shell electrons which are close to the nucleus. So here there are some exceptions. We discussed that in the periods ionization energy increases. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ periods ಅಲ್ಲಿ left to right hand side of the periodic table atomic size decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so that the removal of electron becomes difficult, so that the energy required is more ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ if I take beryllium and boron, ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬೋರಾನ್ ಬರೋದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ವಿತ್ electronic configuration 1s2 2s2, boron atomic number 5 with electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p1. Look at these two elements. Actually across the periods from left to right hand side, ionization energy should increase because of decrease in the atomic radius. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಬೋರಾನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬೋರಾನ್ಗೆ ಅಯೋನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ if we look at the electronic configuration of beryllium, 1s2 2s2, 2s level and 1s level and 2s level are completely filled. You know very well, maximum number of electrons that can accommodate in the s orbital, s shell is 2 electrons, so that 1s and 2s is completely filled, and s electrons always very near to the nucleus. S shell ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, s orbital ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, which is spherical in shape, s electrons very nearer to the nucleus, so that s electrons are more tightly held by the nucleus. Nuclear charge is more on the s electrons. Greater the nuclear charge, very difficult to remove the electron, so higher will be the ionization energy. s electrons nucleus ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, more penetration. s electrons are more penetrated into the nucleus. Greater the penetration power of s electrons, higher will be the ionization energy. ಎಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ more tightly held by the nucleus, so that removal of electrons becomes difficult in beryllium. But look at this boron, 1s2 completed, 2s2 completed, but 2p orbital 1 electron ಇದೆ, and this 2p energy is less than 2s. That means 2s electrons are more penetrated into the nucleus. Andre 2s electrons are more close to the nucleus than 2p, and also 2p maximum number of electrons that can accommodate in the 2p is 6. Maximum number of electrons that can accommodate in the 2p level is 6, but we have only one electron. So that because of presence of one electron in the p orbital, 2p orbital, removal of this one electron becomes easy. So that the first ionization enthalpy of boron is less than the first ionization enthalpy of beryllium. Boron alli so one electron, the fifth electron, 2p orbital irutte. 2p orbital electrons have less penetration into the nucleus than 2s electrons, so that first ionization energy of boron is less. Easily ಈ 2p ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ಬೋರಾನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಬೇಗ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು with the application of small amount of ionization energy. But in beryllium, 2s electron, the last 2s electrons are completely filled, and 2s electrons are very nearer to the nucleus. They are more tightly held by the nucleus, so that to remove the 2s electrons, ionization enthalpy required is more. So concept question barbodu. Boron requires less first ionization enthalpy than the first ionization enthalpy of beryllium. Give reason.